Alright, so wandering around Disneyland and still haven't found my wife anywhere, so someone told me that Alice might know, so let's go find out what Alice knows. Alright.
Electric sunglasses, very cute.
Alright, we started. Here we go. Lee's? We still have to find Alice to talk to where Lee's is. Where Lee's? Oh, we have to ask the white rabbit. Oh.
Follow the white rabbit down the rabbit hole.
No.
All of a sudden, I'm down. Down.
Look at the white rabbit. Wow. See if we know how.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit. Wait, please. He went this way.
Oh no, that way.
I don't know if I am. Oh, there you are.
This way. This would be a curious place to find a rabbit.
Okay, let's back off. We're going the wrong way.
Fair chance?
Hey, there he is.
I'm not sure where I am.
Watch out!
By the way, he went this way.
Thank you.
That's right. Not
And the king.
okay.
Rule 42. The king always wins.
Oh, he hit that.
What the heck?
Oh, run! Run! Oh, bright light, bright light, bright light, bright. Oh, Matterhorn. Oh. Okay, we are in the tree now, Ma. There's the Matterhorn. Okay. There's the teacups. Got to drive around this tree here. Okay, here we go. You're a pretty crazy driver, Ma. Can you drive in a straight line, please? Oh, it's got to be near the... Well, the white rabbit didn't help us find Lee's. So, well, we'll continue walking around Disneyland until we find her. So stay tuned for the next one, okay? We'll find her at the next one, I'm pretty sure.